Hey guys, my name is JW. You can call me Jude. Today we're going to be dodgeball with paper airplanes with my friend Toby.
By the way, my channel is called Toby Day. Just check it out if you want.
Yeah.
So link will be in the description.
So, should we get into it?
Yeah, let's go. Get on that side. Get in it.
So we're going to be picking one each.
And then you have to bring it back. Get one.
Bring it back.
3, 2, oh.
Go. No, you got it.
As you can see, I got the best one. The godly one.
And I think we're doing first to three hits and then...
First to 3 hits wins.
Oh.
Okay, you're going to get that one. That's a good one. They're all flying up.
Oh my god.
Is it guess what I did to the wings?
I think so.
Well, it's good, isn't it? Oh, you got it. 1-0 to Jude.
Oh. Yes,
Oh, 2-0 to Jude.
No, 2-1.
I need to get a paper.
Woo.
As you can see, it's pretty fair. Where's the colourful one?
I don't know. Oh! No!
Did that hit you?
Yeah, it hit me. 2-2.
2-2.
Oh! Oh!
Right, I think it's going to be coming to an end.
Oh! Ow!
I feel it coming, Jude.
Oh! I was going to get this one. Oh!
He's ninja.
Oh!
Yes! Guys, I managed to pull it off. So I won. I came back from a 2-0. Well, I was losing 2-0. I still managed to beat him.
So,
it's a
please-
nice sunny day today.
Please,
Nice and sunny.
please subscribe if you're new, and please comment. Please.
Just keep on going, we can cut it out.
Please leave a comment and leave a like, and thanks and goodbye.
And check me out, by the way.